The Maharashtra state government has asked housing body MHADA to review its vast residential colonies and redevelop them to house more people in a very land-starved city. An urgent move considering that MHADA, the last resort for affordable housing in Mumbai, is fast running out of land. Now, can redevelopment help MHADA deliver on its affordable housing promise? And what can it do to acquire more land? Ankita Sinha finds out.
These rundown buildings are part of the Maharashtra Housing and Area Development Authority or MHADA's vast network of residential colonies spread throughout the city. These colonies provide much needed affordable housing to nearly 7 to 8 lakh people. As densely packed as they are now, this is bound to increase even further with the state government directing MHADA to review its colonies and redevelop them.
There is definitely space to accommodate another 2 lakh at least houses. In those premises that MHADA has. So, which is not a very large number, but it is a substantial number.
Densification of existing colonies is now the housing body's top priority as its land bank is rapidly shrinking, posing a threat to its affordable housing plans. Buying more land from the market is difficult as MHADA has to compete with private developers who are able to outbid MHADA.
MHADA doesn't have land anymore. So it only has to indulge itself into reconstruction of buildings. That's the only way it can build. Otherwise, there is no vacant land with MHADA left anymore.
They are unable to partake into the biddings of new lands because today every creation of every new land bank goes through private biddings, etc. And MHADA, because of its mandate, is not in a position to fight against so many private developers who can resort to different ways and means to creation of higher values, higher FSIs, premiums, etc., which MHADA can't.
While MHADA might want to do it alone, they will have to keep an eye on the affordability aspect while deciding on premium and allotment of units and FSI.
If the state kind of controls redevelopment projects in a manner that it makes it accessible for people who require housing in a particular, because these are public resources, these are not private resources, these are public resources. Government is putting in money also, and it's public land. It has to go for, you don't have to kind of give outright sale.
Experts have also suggested unlocking land held by government agencies to help MHADA.
Land banks which are currently government or semi-government holdings, whether it is armed forces or the port trust lands, etc., can be passed on to MHADA for redevelopment, because that's the only way where private developments or the concern of people that land is going into private development can be taken care of.
MHADA has a crisis. It needs to acquire more land if it wants to come up with more affordable housing projects, and redeveloping its colonies is a piecemeal approach. The state government must now step in to ensure MHADA is given access to the land holdings that it has to ensure that the dream of housing for all comes through. From Mumbai, Ankita Sinha for NDTV.